Hello, my name is Carly and welcome to my channel, Sisters Hook and Needle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a giant pom-pom because I love giant pom-poms. So for this project, you're going to need pom-pom makers, a razor blade, scissors, and just a ball of yarn. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is take your ball of yarn and you're going to take one of your pom-pom makers, your half, and you're just going to kind of rest it there. And you're just going to start wrapping it around the pom-pom maker. Now, this does take a little while, but the more you put on, the fluffier and bigger it will be. Now you want to kind of distribute it evenly. It makes for a more even pom-pom. Alright, so I'm going to keep doing this, just continue doing this, and I will meet you back once I have both halves wrapped. Okay, completely. So once your pom-pom fillers are about that full, you're going to take them, and they have interlocking sides, and you're going to interlock them together. Now, this sometimes can be a little difficult. So you take them, that one didn't lock, and you interlock them like that. So then it looks like that. And then you take a piece of your yarn, you cut probably about foot and a half of yarn. And then I like to use a razor blade. You can use scissors, but it really dulls up your scissors. So just take them where the line is, and just take it like that, and run your razor blade right along there, just like that. And be very careful when doing this. And then you go to the next one. You start cutting the next one. Now, I find the razor blade also, it not only doesn't dull it up so bad, it works a lot better than scissors. So once that's done, and your whole thing has been cut, you take your yarn, and you loop it through, and you put it in the crack, just like that. And you run it through, and you just run both ends to your other side. Just like that. So you have it both like that, and then you knot it like that, square knot, and pull pretty tight. Not tight enough to snap the yarn, but tight enough to get it good and tight. And then you knot it again, and then you run it back through the other way. I'm going to do the same thing with this piece. You run it back through like that, and then you square knot it again. And then you just take your pom-pom makers and you just take them out, just like that. Just like that. And now you have your pom-pom, and then you can just trim it to your liking. I just like to make mine typically as uniform as possible. Sometimes there's some longer strands of yarn that just need to be trimmed. And then you have a pom-pom, just like that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, And check out the links below to my blog and my website. And be sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.